Hey guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a super creamy Rosewater facial night cream. This will be part 3 to the Oslove Holiday Series, where I'll be showing you guys great handmade gift ideas perfect for the holidays. Alright, so this recipe is not as simple as the others. You will need some items that you probably have to purchase online or that's not ready in your home. So I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible. I'm going to start it off with the oil phase and also a water phase. All measurements will be down in the description box below. Alright, for the water phase side, I'm going to add close to 2 ounces of distilled water to 1 ounce of rose water, followed by 1 ounce of vegetable glycerin. For the oil phase, I will be using 2 awesome butters from Oslove Organics. That will be the Tamanu Butter and the Kokum Butter. Tamanu Butter is one of the softest butters I have worked with. It's super supple on the skin and it gives your product a very soft, creamy texture. The Kokum Butter gives it a little firmer texture, which I love. It holds the product together, yet it's non-greasy and it absorbs super fast in the skin. Kokum Butter has definitely become one of my favorite butters to work with, as you guys will see throughout this series. To finish off the oil phase, I'm adding vitamin E. I'm also adding the organic face and body oil from Oslove Organics. This is a mixture of 12 high quality organic oils like argan oil, olive oil, and sweet almond oil. This mixture just makes your DIY projects a lot easier and is perfect for the face and the body. Alright, now to combine your water and oil phases, we first need to heat them up to the same temperature. So you're going to put them in a water bath using a pot with just a couple inches of water, and you're going to sit that on a stove on low heat until your butters are completely melted and your water temperature is the same. Alright, so we're going to move quickly. This next part, now that the butters and waxes and oils are all melted, you're going to slowly add in the water phase to the oil phase while using your immersion blender to basically emulsify the water and the oil together, because water and oil, they do not mix. So you need help with the emulsifying wax and also an immersion blender. That's going to help blend your products together and keep them together, emulsify them together so they will not separate, creating a creamy, yummy, lotiony facial cream that's perfect for moisturizing and keeping the skin tight and youthful looking. Alright, so I let my mixture sit for about 15 minutes to kind of cool down, and then I came back and I blended it some more. This will be the perfect time to add your essential oils and your preservative. To be clear, anytime you're adding water to a product, you want to add a preservative. This will keep all the nasty mold and bacteria from growing in your product. If you can't or won't add a preservative, you may refrigerate your product, but just know that even within 24 hours, yuckies can start to grow. So I'm using Optifin Plus preservative. An amazing subby recommended this to me for creamier products, and I appreciate that. But just do your research on preservatives so you can know which one is best for you. Alright, so now for the fun part, coloring. I'm using the mica as a colorant. I love mica. It gives it such a nice shimmery color to your product without tinting the skin. So you can use mica safely without worrying about it leaving any residue or color on your skin. I'm using a combination of 2 colors here. I don't really know what to call them. One is kind of like a really pretty rose gold like color, and then the other is a more vibrant neon pink color, and I'm just adding as much as I can to get the color that I'm looking for. I don't have measurements for this, you guys. I just kind of eyeballed it. When you're working with mica, just use a little at a time until you get the desired color. So now I'm going to just plop this into the freezer for about 3 minutes to kind of thicken. I'm back, and you can see that the product has started to kind of get like a gel type consistency, so it's definitely coming together. So what I'm going to do now is stop using the immersion blender because I don't want any air bubbles left in my mixture, and I'm going to pop it back into the freezer one more time just to help it thicken just a little bit more. Alright, so it's definitely coming together, guys. Just be patient with this. I really did work with this mixture for a while, okay? And I just use my spatula to just keep stirring and mixing and just really letting the temperature come down as it thickens, keeping it creamy and just so nice, just creating an amazing texture. You really want a creamy texture here for this facial cream. Now it will thicken, but it will not be thick like a body butter. It'll be creamy like a lotion, but not super loose like a liquid lotion, if that makes sense. So just keep on mixing and stirring, you guys. It will come together. Just be patient with it. It will take some time to see it start to take form. All right, after mixing and mixing and mixing, you can see that this is super creamy, soft, beautiful texture. Oh, this came together so well, you guys. I'm loving the color and it smells great as well. So we're all done. That's it. You have just made a facial night cream. That wasn't so bad, right? If I can do it, you definitely can do it, and this will make for the perfect gift for any time or any holiday. Look at that beautiful texture, you guys. Super soft, smooth, moisturizing for the skin. This is gonna work wonders for your face. This beautiful cream absorbs super fast into the skin. I've already tried it on my face, you guys. So Rosewater also works to control excessive oil. So this is really, really perfect for those people who deal with oily skin. So that's it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment down below. Please go check out Oslove Organics for all your high quality DIY ingredient needs, from butters to waxes to oils. You name it, you need it, they have it, okay? I really, really enjoyed making this facial cream. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. And please go follow me on Instagram. Make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel so you can keep up with the Oslove series. It's going to run all the way to December, so you can get amazing gift ideas perfect for the holidays. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.